Craving something light, refreshing, and full of flavor? Wait till you try this citrus avocado salad. To get started on making our citrus avocado salad, we're gonna first start with avocados. So 2 ripe avocados. I'm gonna cut these. Oh, the pick came right out. So easy. Just gonna squeeze the top because they're nice and ripe. Easy to get that out. Okay, so we're gonna dice these. Perfect. Now we're gonna add our other ingredients. We have pomegranate seeds, full of antioxidants, which is good for you. 2 oranges, peeled and segmented. 1 grapefruit. So all our ingredients are here. And now our dressing. Our dressing is 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and 2 teaspoons of honey. We're gonna whisk this together. Pour this on top of our salad. Toss that together. This bright, refreshing colors. Take a little cilantro for garnish. Perfect. Look at this salad. Bright, refreshing, perfect for the summer. On a summer day. Can't wait to dig in. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.